Are you applying for multiple jobs and you are not getting enough responses? Do you want to build a resume that stands out from the crowd and grabs the attention of your recruiter? If so, you need to check out Canva and Adobe Express. These two online tools are perfect to craft a professional and visually appealing resume. In this video, I will show you how to build a professional looking resume using Canva. You can try the same with Adobe Express as well. Okay, here are the steps. First, choose a template. Both Canva and Adobe Express offers variety of resume templates to choose from. Simply select a template that you like and that fits your industry standards. Now it is time to customize your resume. Canva and Adobe Express offers variety of customization options so that you can make your resume truly unique. You can change the font, color and layout of your resume. You can also add images, icons and other design elements as well. Then add your information. Once you have chosen a template, you can start adding your personal information, work experience and educational details. Once you are happy with customizing your resume, you can now download it as a PDF or JPG file. Better to download it as a PDF version because it looks more professional and it becomes easy to share it with someone. Be sure to proofread your resume before you download it. Then you can take a print or you can directly upload it on any of the job portals. Canva and Adobe Express both are great tools for building professional and attention-grabbing resumes. We have created a longer video on how to generate more response on your job application. You can watch this video here and do subscribe to our channel for more such tips.